and see how the meat is producing.
The kitchen where they make tea for the learners and all that.
Yes, so they vandalized in here.
Even came here.
Everything that was here.
Oh yeah, oh my goodness, just come in and see what they did here. This is where the caretaker stays. Vandalized everything. CCTV systems.
So they also use the water and left them very dirty.
So we get them Uganda.
Yeah, so this is our very first class. Basaze bintu bingi. Nerota musiraba basseewo waggulu nooza tivi eyabaleme okuvaayo. Tukola ebyuma babituddewo ne babireka. Obusungu bwabadde ne bungi ne bakwata fanisi zino ne bazisikayo.
Internet.
Yeah.
But never maybe they planted. But you can see now this was internet connection and it's from here. But you can see what they did with our doors, how they access.
Set to go.